Hey guys, welcome back. This is week 10 and it's another week of Halloween themed lunches. And today Demarion is going to have his yogurt. I made a Frankenstein. This is just like an Oreo. Actually it's red velvet Oreo cookie. And then I tried to make him some spider sandwiches. And then he has his Cheez-Its crackers and cheddar, white cheddar. And then I made some blue strawberries. And that is what he's going to have for lunch today. I hope he likes it. He gets excited when I put these lunches together, so we'll see what he thinks about this today. Okay guys, welcome back to Thursday. And today Demarion fixed his own little lunch. So what he said, well, I cut the grapes up for him. He wanted a yogurt smoothie and then these little Halloween cookies, vanilla sugar cookies that I think they're like a vanilla sugar wafer cookie that I got from Walmart, and then we dipped them in chocolate with sprinkles. And then that one is like a Frankenstein, and then he said he wanted a bagel monster. So he sprinkled all of these googly eyes on his bagel, and he's gonna have his water. I haven't fixed that yet, but this is what he's having for today. So hopefully he'll eat all of this since he requested it. And I didn't show you guys yesterday. I didn't show you guys yesterday what Damara ate because I wasn't sure if you guys still wanted to see what she ate, because she kind of eats the same thing every day. So pretzels, her lunch meat, and then her fruit, which is strawberries and blueberries. And then she's just taking these treats, Rice Krispie treat. And then she said these are really good, these Oreo chocolate candy bar. And she'll take a Capri Sun. But yeah, like I said, that's what they're having, and we'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. It is Friday, and as you can see, today this is what Demarion will be having for lunch. I just gave him some little mini crackers with some diced ham bites, and then he has a Rice Krispie treat, his yogurt, and then we just did a mummy Go-Gurt, not Go-Gurt, but it's like a little applesauce pack. It's apple and strawberry, and then we have his Capri Sun, and we will see you guys later.